Hello and welcome to the Mike Less Farmhand Mike YouTube channel, bringing you some of the biggest and best variety and definitely the most versatile farming content on social media today. You can find me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Farmhand Mike.
When you're running combine and have that view over there, that's just pretty awesome. That's almost as awesome as watching that Mike Less guy on YouTube.
That is one good-looking tractor and grain cart. Hey everyone, in today's video, I am out in the field with Wolgemuth Bros LLC as they are custom harvesting some wheat for a farm here in Hamer, Idaho. Wolgemuth Bros LLC is based out of Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania, but they are custom harvesters who start custom harvesting wheat down in Texas, work up through Oklahoma, Kansas, Western Nebraska, then they jump over the Rocky Mountains into Idaho. Now, they normally run 3 combines, but they're broke up here, so I am out with just combine number 3 today. They just finished up a field of barley. They got the combine all cleaned out and set for wheat, and they're heading out to the field now to do a test cut. And just about an hour south of here, they are running their other combines. They also teamed up with another custom harvester who's running gleaners. I do have a video of all that machinery coming soon. They have the tractor and grain carts down at that farm, so the combine is just running solo here, just dumping at the trucks you see there at the end of the field. Now, once they get this field harvested, this field will be potatoes next year. I am in Idaho. There's a lot of potatoes grown out here. And as you can see, this is irrigated wheat. And I do have a close-up of a pivot over one of the potato fields coming up here soon. And, of course, you can see the pivot track right there. I mean, you do have to say this is one good-looking field of irrigated wheat. Now, I have filmed these guys cutting wheat in Texas before. Last year, I also got them out in Pennsylvania, since that's where they're based out of. Once they get all their harvesting done out west, then they do move back to their farm in Pennsylvania, and they do some harvesting there on their farm and also some custom work. I'll put the link to that soybean harvest video I did of these guys last November at the end of this one. If you haven't seen it, that way you can find it. And, of course, the scenery here. You can kind of see the mountains in the background, but this is just some beautiful country. And since I am in the potato state, let's take a look at one of the potato fields nearby. Now, I did get a couple invites to come out here for potato harvest, and one of these days that will work out, and we'll bring you a great potato harvest video from the state of Idaho. Did anybody see that guy out in the field? What he was doing is he had a pan that he threw under the back of the combine there to check for grain loss. That's going to wrap up this video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. If you did like this video, you know you can go down there and hit that like button. Feel free to comment below, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, please go down there and hit that subscribe button and check back often. Always lots of new and great farming content coming to my YouTube channel. And if you want to see more of what I'm doing, what I'm out in the field with, you can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. And as always, thank you for watching and supporting my social media.